Most of what you see on social media is passive income scams. You are just funding someone else's lifestyle. You see the ads everywhere. A creator sits on a beach in Bali. They tell you they made $10,000 while they slept. They claim you can build legitimate passive income ideas 2026 by just clicking a few buttons. But here is the cold truth. Most of what you see on social media is passive income scams 2026. If you do not know how to identify passive income scams, you are not building wealth. You are just funding someone else's lifestyle. In 2026, the scams have become more sophisticated. They use AI and deep fakes to look like trusted financial gurus. Today, we peel back the curtain. We will separate the real math from the marketing lies. The definition of real passive income. True passive income requires one of two things. You either invest a large amount of money or a large amount of time up front. There is no third option. If an opportunity promises high returns with zero effort and zero capital, it is a scam. Period. Real passive income comes from owning assets. These include dividend-paying stocks, rental properties, high-yield savings accounts, digital products you created over months of hard work. Scammers try to blur these lines. They use the word system or algorithm. They want you to believe they found a loophole in the economy. They did not. The only loophole is your willingness to believe them. The 2026 AI automation trap. The biggest scam in 2026 involves AI-driven businesses. You might see offers for done-for-you YouTube automation or Amazon storefronts. The pitch is simple. You pay $5,000. They use AI to run the business for you. You sit back and collect checks. Here is the reality. If these systems worked perfectly, the creators would not sell them to you. They would keep the profit for themselves. Instead, they sell you the dream, because the setup fee is their actual profit. Data shows that 95% of these automated stores fail within 6 months. The platforms like Amazon or YouTube often ban these accounts for low-quality AI-generated content. You lose your initial investment and your account. The crypto liquidity mining scam cryptocurrency scams have evolved. In 2026, scammers use liquidity mining or yield farming platforms that look professional. They promise 1% daily returns. That sounds small, but it is over 3,000% a year. No legitimate business on earth can guarantee those returns. These are Ponzi schemes. They use money from new investors to pay old ones. Eventually, the founders rug pull. They shut down the site and vanish with your money. If the interest rate is significantly higher than the traditional market, run away. If this information is helping you protect your savings, please hit the like button. It helps this video reach more people who might be targets for these schemes. Subscribe for more honest looks at building wealth in 2026. Now, let's get back to the red flags. The red flags of a scam. You must look for these 4 warning signs. 1. Guaranteed returns. Markets have risk. Anyone promising guaranteed profit is lying. 2. Urgency. Scammers want you to act before you think. They say only 5 spots left or offer ends tonight. 3. Vague business models. If they cannot explain exactly how the money is made in 2 sentences, it is a scam. 4. Recruitment. If the main way to make money is by onboarding others, you are in a pyramid scheme. Legitimate wealth building is boring. It takes years. It involves spreadsheets and tax planning. It does not involve secret signals on a Telegram group. Is dropshipping dead? Many people ask if dropshipping is a scam. It is not a scam, but it is rarely passive. In 2026, global shipping costs and customer service demands are high. If a guru tells you it is passive, they are lying. You must manage suppliers. You must handle returns. You must spend thousands on ads. Most passive income courses for dropshipping make more money for the teacher than the student. If you want to do dropshipping, treat it like a full-time job. Do not treat it like a hands-off investment. How to build real wealth. Stop looking for shortcuts. Start looking for value. Low-cost index funds. These are the gold standard. They are truly passive. You buy the whole market and wait decades. Real estate. This is semi-passive. It requires management, but it builds equity and cash flow. Content creation. This requires massive upfront work. Once you build an audience, your old content earns money while you sleep. These paths are not get rich quick. They are get rich for sure if you stay consistent. Data from 2025 showed that investors who held index funds for 10 years outperformed 90% of active traders and opportunity hunters. We covered a lot today. Remember these points. Real passive income requires time or money. AI automation is usually a front for high setup fees. Guaranteed high returns are a hallmark of Ponzi schemes. Avoid any opportunity that relies on recruiting others. Stick to proven assets like index funds and real estate. Protect your capital. Your savings are the fuel for your future freedom. Do not give that fuel to a scammer. Have you encountered a passive income offer that felt off lately? Describe it in the comments. Your story might save someone else from losing their hard-earned money. Share this video with a friend who is looking for a side hustle. Let's make 2026 the year we build real ethical wealth. Thanks for watching.